In this tutorial, you'll learn how to add content sections that will appear in all of your listings. These content sections can include text, images, graphics, or photos to brand your dealership within each listing. So, how do you add these sections? Let's get started. Locate the Preferences tab in the left menu, then click on Descriptions. Now, move the mouse pointer to the top menu and click the Descriptions tab. Then, using the drop-down, select the description template you'd like to edit. If you're creating new content, select New Description. Then, create a title for that description. Keep in mind that titles do appear at the top of each content section in your listings, so the title should be representative of the content in that section. I'm going to demonstrate how to create a text-only content description. Then I'll demonstrate how to upload a photo or image. First, though, let's have a quick look at the text editor and go over a few important points. The editor functions much the same as your basic word processor. You can make formatting selections prior to or after typing. It's important to note that if you pre-type your description in a word processor or plan to copy text directly from your website, you must first paste that text into a WordPad or Notepad, which will strip out any bad code that may not be handled correctly when the listing is rendered as a web page. Stripping out code means any special fonts, colors, sizes, or other formatting will not be carried over. Of course, the best way to avoid a lot of cutting and pasting is to type your description directly into our text editor. Now, I'm going to demonstrate creating a new text description. I've already chosen to create a new description template, so now I just need to give this new description a title. Next, I'll paste in a description I've already pre-typed in a notepad. Now, I'll demonstrate a few quick formatting changes using the text editor. Left-click and drag over the text you'd like to modify. Then select the desired feature. I'm going to speed things up just a bit here to save time. When you're finished, click Save All. You've just created a text description template, which will be added to your listing template a little later in this video. Now, I'll demonstrate how to add a marketing graphic or photo to your listings. You can select from your own image files, or for an additional fee, let our graphics department custom design image content for you. Since this will be a new description template, just as before, I'll select New Description, then create a title for that new description. And remember, the title will be visible above the image or photo in your listing. To add a marketing graphic or photo, click the blue Insert Image button located below the font selector. Then move the mouse pointer to the Insert Image box and click the small square with the 3 dots. Next, click the Browse button and navigate through your computer to find the image you'd like to use. Left-click the file once, then click the Open button. After that, click the Upload button. You may briefly see a message that says Waiting for Auction123.com. To finish this process, first left-click anywhere in the description area. Once you see a cursor flashing in the upper left corner, you can click the Insert button. Then, click Save All. This description template now contains your image file. So, now that you've created 2 new description templates, you need to add 2 new description sections to your listing template, so this new content can appear in all of your listings. To do this, move the mouse pointer to the Preferences tab in the left menu. Then click on Template. We're editing the Dealer Default template. The Dealer Default is the parent template. Modifying this template will result in the same content being displayed in your eBay listings and in the showroom, providing you haven't saved a separate template for those displays. Next, move the mouse pointer to the top menu and click Widgets. Then move the pointer down to the Description widget. Left-click and hold as you drag the Description widget to where you'd like the first description section to appear in your listings. When you reach the desired location, release the mouse button. To add multiple sections, drag down additional description widgets. Now, we'll choose a description template to display in each new section we've added. With the mouse pointer in a description section, move to the right where the pencil is located. And when the pencil turns white, click on it. A small drop-down box will appear. First, click the drop-down arrow. Then, click to select the description template you'd like to display in that section. Be sure to repeat this process for each description section you've added so the correct text or image appears. After you finish making changes to the template, be sure to click the Save Template button at the top. So, now that new content has been added to the global template, when will these changes take effect for your eBay listings? Well, any new listing created from this point on will contain the new content. Listings that are already running may be updated to display the new content, if your account is set up for automatic revisions, and if the listings are eligible to be revised. That is, there are no bids or offers, and the listings are not ending in the next 12 hours. And that's the basics of adding custom content to your templates. Thanks for watching this Auction 123 tutorial. And as always, we appreciate your business.